You searched how to buy shares of Alphabet? Alphabet is the parent of Google, focused on internet services, cloud computing, and AI, and its shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker GOOG. This clip is for educational purposes and not financial advice. To buy GOOG, you need an online broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your balance before buying. Inside the broker search box, type the ticker GOOG and press Enter to locate Alphabet's listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches the GOOG ticker. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm that the company description and the NASDAQ ticker match GOOG to ensure it is the correct asset. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the order fills, the new position will appear in your portfolio, and if you want to follow these steps on eToro, the link is in the description below.